Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Icon Plus. Today we are going to unbox Portronics Auto 10 Smart Audio Connector plus Car Charger. On the side we can see the device specifications like a Bluetooth version 5.0, input 12 24 volts and output like 5 volts 3.4 amps. All these specifications are printed on the side, and other side of this box we can see more functions features like high-end FM transmission, built-in mic, micro SD slot, and wireless calling, powerful bass. All these are printed on the box. Let's open this box and see what we get inside. So here we go, we have our Bluetooth FM transmitter. So here we have some paperwork which says how to use. This is our FM Bluetooth transmitter. We see it's a very cool design. We can see a very soft buttons here, and we have a micro SD slot here. This device supports MP3, WMA, WAV, FLAC formats music, and on the top of this device we can see two USB and one volume controller, one music booster, and one LED indicator. So let's insert this device into our charger port. The advantage of this device is, even though we utilize our charging port, we have two USB ports so that we can charge our mobile and other devices. Now the device is powered on. It says BT means Bluetooth, and 87.9, that is a FM signal. We need to set this signal into our car radio so it catches the signal. Actually this device converts Bluetooth signals to the FM signal, so whatever the music played through the Bluetooth is converted into FM signal. This car radio will catch that frequency and plays the music. These devices work completely wireless, no charging ports, no cables between the player, no cables between the mobile device or other Bluetooth device. Just it takes the signal from the mobile or any other Bluetooth device and converts to FM signal. So any other FM radio or anything that has a FM, it catches that signal and plays. Now I am trying to pair this device with my mobile and try to play some music. If the device paired one time, no need to worry for the next time. It automatically connects when we are powering on our Bluetooth in our mobile. It automatically connects to our mobile. Now the device is paired. Now I am playing one of the song from Sahu, and see how the sound quality is. You will hear these songs from car speakers. Sorry guys, due to copyright issues we cannot play this music, but the sound quality is very nice and the bass is very high. This is our volume controller. We can use for increasing decreasing the volume. Beside that we have one more knob that is for changing the music modes. This device gives a original quality at the output. By pressing this button we can change music modes. We are getting two functions, one is B0, B1. So by pressing this button we can shift those music modes. We can see a music symbol here, that means we can connect a pen drive and play some music, and other side we can see a power symbol, that means we can use a cable to charge our mobile devices. So that's it guys. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.